All right, good evening. This is Guru Garza, or if you know me in the chat, it is Durgam Box. Thanks for joining me tonight. I just want to show you how I shill and kind of the importance of shilling and where we can go if we shill. So first off, I want to say thanks a lot. If you shilled this Jake Gagan post this morning, thank you very much. You brought a lot of attention to Scotty by doing so. If you look, I'll just give you the quick rundown here. 893 people tuned in, 10,000 views, 131 people liked it, 25 people liked ours. That's a ratio of 20%. That's really good. That is as good as you probably will get, and I think that's amazing. Especially there's 207 people that made comments. So out of 207 comments, we were at the top if you really think about it. So it's going to show mine at the top just because it's me, but in this case, we actually did. We're at the top. 627 views, 11 reposts, 25 likes. We're showing up at the top. Anybody that comes to look at this later is going to see us at the top. So for the rest of the time, we're at the top of this one. Here, I'll show you the second one. Only 153, 8 and 5. So active communities get a lot of street cred, per se, in the crypto realm for this type of thing with meme coins. We're definitely getting noticed. I just wanted to bring this to everybody's attention and first of all, again, say thank you for this amazing morning we had with this shilling and where we can go from here. So I'm going to show you how I shill, what the importance is, and where we can go. So if you start a new tab, I kind of get a lot of people that are in crypto. That's kind of all I follow. That's all I do on Twitter. So I think probably the easiest thing to do if you're going solo is to search. You can search for meme coin, maybe Scotty the AI, or $Scotty. Those are the three things that I would search for if I'm trying to shill Scotty. So meme coin, find this, and then look for people to follow if you're not following a lot of crypto individuals. So I just move my mouse over it. 16,000 followers. Okay, that's probably cool. Let's follow this guy. Let's click on him. And he's saying breaking dog just updated, drop your soul. So he's kind of just trying to give away stuff. You can just click post here. And as you can tell, now it says meme coin portal. I have some text that I have already set up for stuff like this. I'm just going to add him. Next call is Scotty. Okay. I'm going to throw in one of the images we made here. I like this one. There you go. Post. So there's a shill. Will it get a lot of views? Maybe, maybe not. That's where everybody comes in. Now, I just found this guy, just shilled him. I think it's important for everybody in the community to do this. But another way you can shill, instead of going directly and following people, is just to search here and search for just Scotty. If you go $Scotty and you're looking for the latest, here's obviously the last one that was posted, and that was me at Meme Coin Portal. If you just click like on that, you're moving us up in the scope of rankings. The more likes, the more replies, the more reposts a post gets, the higher it ranks on the actual individual's timeline. So if you're getting on there, you're going to start seeing all kinds of Scotty if we have a lot of people shilling it. Here's another one. Click like. Here's another one. Click like, repost. Here's another one. Like, repost. Like. That's all you got to do. You can just come through and like all these. You could just, I'm not trying to draw attention to me, but if you follow me and you click on just my replies, you basically are going to find just Scotty shilling all day. So if you went to my profile and clicked on my replies, you don't even have to follow me. Like, click on the one I'm replying to. What are we aping this fine Wednesday? Click there. Scotty, shill yourself. So that's kind of the importance of it. Now, I told you how good we did with the Jake Gagan post that we did this morning. I'm going to show you what other people are doing just to show you how it's kind of working. So I think we found an ETH meme, bruh. This is a guy, He's got 179,000 followers. If I click on here, it's going to be all kinds of shilling. Okay, here's one. I'm not trying to promote other projects, but here's one. Yeah, it's Fuku on ETH, meme season. He doesn't have any likes yet. Here's one, 3 likes. Now, if I can post here, which I'm going to do, which he's, you know what? He thinks he found an ETH meme? He did. It's fucking Scotty. I'm going to make him say go all in. I'm going to shill this right now, and I'm going to upload this video, and I hope that you guys come here and shill it yourselves. Because this is the power of it. This one has 0. This one has 3. I'm going to post mine, and it's going to have 0. But if we make ours show up at the top, I think we found an ETH meme, bro. They're kind of cryptic about it. Other people that follow this guy are looking for good plays all day. They're going to come here and go, well, let's see. Oh, what's at the top? Scotty? Let's buy it. That's the power of it. And the more people you got clicking like and replying and uploading and shilling themselves, that's the power of it. So meme coins themselves kind of get into this cult-like behavior where, you know, if you get a lot of people that are in on it, more people are going to join it. We're going to be early people. So I don't want to make this video too long. I showed you how to do it yourself, how to search for meme coin. You can search for Scotty meme coin. You can follow Scotty the AI and click on his replies, like all his replies. If you see me, by all means, I mean, I definitely want the followers too, just because I'm really here to shill Scotty. So that's, I'm not trying to draw attention to myself, but I am verified, and the more followers you have, the higher rankings you get. So Scotty account's a good one to follow and click all the replies. But I do kind of do this all day. So, I mean, this is just the last 3 hours. I mean, I'm zooming and scrolling. This is 4 hours. So here, we'll scroll back up. This is all day. I don't expect everybody to do this, but it's important that everybody do their part. If nobody does anything, it's pretty hard in this market to get noticed. So that's all I got. I hope that this is short enough and everybody's got their attention. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks a lot, guys.